there's the feet there. Yeah. Pretty comfy, yeah? Not too bad.
Awesome.
You want to see if the stretcher out, see if it fits you? Almost, almost.